Hi there. This tutorial is going to show you how to total using some functions in Excel, then how to make a chart. Okay, so we're going to start by centering the title above the data. So you're going to select the cells across which you want the title to be centered, and I'm selecting one extra cell on the right because my data is entered in the first column, which doesn't have any of the data in it. And then I'm just going to hit this merge and center button, and then I can do whatever formatting I want to it. Okay. To total, I'm going to first of all total by quarter, and that is pretty simple, just using the auto sum function, which is right up here, the backwards E, the sigma, on the home tab ribbon. Okay, and it's confirming for me that it's going to sum the contents of the cells in C5 through C8. To confirm, I'm going to just press enter. Okay, and let's watch that again. I'm going to select the cell where I want the answer, click the auto sum button, confirm that it's going to add together the numbers in cells D5 through D8, and press enter. I can also copy and fill with the cell selected that has the formula that I want to copy. I'm going to click or point to the little handle on the bottom right till I get a black plus and press and drag over. And it fills in and updates my formula relative to where the numbers are entered. And do the same thing for left to right. Go to the cell where I want the answer, sum. This time there's no numbers above the cell or below the cell, so it's going to automatically default and look to the left of the cell. And I'm going to press enter to confirm. Then I'm going to copy that formula down. Okay. Now, to make a chart, I want to select the cells that have the data that I want to chart. I want to chart the quarters. I don't want to chart the total. And I'll include this title. So I'm going to press, or I'm not going to include the title because I merged it. So I'm going to press and drag to select just the cells that have the data that I want to chart. And then I'm going to go up to the data menu. No, I'm sorry, I'm going to go up to the insert menu, and I'm going to insert a chart. I have different types of charts here. If I want to make a line chart or a bar chart, stacked bar charts are the most common. So I'm going to select the bar chart, and I'm going to make it pretty. So I'll do a 3D column chart. And notice how it inserts the chart right on the screen. As long as it has the handles selected, I'm going to press and drag on the chart to position it where I want the chart to be placed. Okay, it has a spot for me to enter the chart title. I can click it to select it and then highlight it, and I'm going to do quarterly sales by region. Okay. And it's showing me for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4 on the x-axis, and over here on the y-axis it's getting that grouping from the numbers that are contained within the data. Okay, and there is my standard chart. There are plenty of things you can do with charts to format it, and we will look at that in another tutorial. Thank you.